Hi everyone, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be using this mould today. I got this from Amazon. Good sturdy mould, really thick. The only problem was it came very misshapen. At first I thought, perhaps this is how it's supposed to look. No, it's tree bark if you can see it. No log is perfectly round, is it? Anyway, I've had it in hot water trying to put it back in shape. I've had it wedged, things wedged on it to keep it in shape. Nothing's worked. So I thought I'd just use it. It is a very nice mould. It wasn't expensive either. And I'm going to be using it with Aquacast. Now, I thought I'd use one brown. I'll be using Resin pigment. I thought I'd do one brown and I'd leave one natural. And then I've got this. It's metallic gilding wax from Hobbycraft. And it's in gold. And I thought I would rub some of that on it. See if we can get a shimmer. Yeah, very nice gilding wax. I do like it. I've never used the Hobbycraft one before though, so I will see how that turns out. Right, so I'm just going to mix some Aquacast, and I'd like to say thank you. I'll take this time now. I'd like to say thank you to one of my subscribers, Amy. If you're watching, thank you. She bought me another coffee this week, so thank you very much, Amy. And I am thinking of a way, something to make that I can show people who have bought me coffee and to say thank you. So that will be coming up. I'll be making a video about that. That will be coming up soon. I'll get some Aquacast mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Right, I've mixed it up now and I've left streaks of the brown pigment in it because tree bark isn't all one colour, is it? I thought that'd be quite nice. So we'll get that poured in. I've mixed up 200 grams of the powder, by the way, which is 70 grams of water. And because I've put a few streaks in it, I'm not going to be using the vibration plate. So we'll just get a bit of tapping going on. I'll stick a little stick in there because we don't want any air bubbles there, do we? There we go. Yeah, it's not going to take all of this, that's for sure. Perhaps 150 would have been better. A bit of tapping and then we'll leave it for an hour. Okay, it's been left overnight. We'll get this out, shall we? Oh, yeah, it comes out very easily. Oh, that's the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Nice how it's come out lighter on the inside. That's kind of cute, that. Make a nice little candle. Yeah, very nice. Cool, right. I'll leave that to dry for a couple of hours, seeing as it's been in for a long time in the mould, and then I'll wax it. We'll get this one started. I'll just go and mix the Aquacast. Okay, right, let's get this poured in. Let's just wipe the top of that first. Still got brown on. Right, as I said, I've just left this natural. Let's get a little bit in. We'll do exactly the same. Give it a good squish. It's quite firm silicone, this. Wasn't very expensive from Amazon. We were just a bit gutted that it was all squished up. Right, I'm going to put the heat gun on the top, pop those bubbles, and I'm going to stick it on the vibration plate for a little while, and then we'll be back. Right, let's get it out. It's only been half an hour this one. There's no air bubbles. Not that you could tell around here, could you? Bit weird on the inside. Right, I've waxed that one, believe it or not. I mean, it made the colour deeper. So I'm just going to wait for this one to dry properly, and then we'll try the gilding wax on them. See what we can do. Okay, they're both dry now, properly dry, and it's time for the gilding wax. I'm going to try it with a paintbrush. I did try it with my fingers, but it wasn't working very well. It's very, very cold in my craft room today, and that's rock hard. And so very, very gently, I'm just going to put it over the raised bits. Doesn't look very gold, does it? And we can call this a silver birch, although I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be silver. Yeah, I'm going to speed you up while I do this. It's basically watching paint dry if I don't. Right, as you can see, I've done the inside as well. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I've got a very, very nice shimmer. Now, as for the outside, it just looks dirty to me. I mean, my eyes are bad, but that just looks dirty. I can't actually see any gold, but it has picked it up, and I don't know whether I should do it to that one. Anyway, that's enough of that. I bought 2 little plants that I'm going to plant in there, although I think maybe I need to put some stones in the bottom. 2 little succulents. They're real, by the way. I just think they look really pretty in there. Very nice, simple project, that. Very nice mould. Quite impressed considering it's not circular, as you can see. Yeah, lovely. I hope you've liked this video. I'm going to take some photos for you, leave them at the end, and thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.